Okay, talking about economics, so need to a little bit upper level. So we are thinking about the media 2.0. Right now, currently, the mass media actually is more focused on attention. That's mean, like they produce the advertisement, but they try to connect with other supplier, for example, events or poster or the TV advertisement. Actually, they put much cost to attract the attractive audience public in the public those advertisement rather than produce. But once we go into the media 2.0, I mean it's like we have a multiple channel and a multiple advertisement at the same time. So once we need to think how do we really emphasize the content or productions we produce to attract the people. So in the end, in the future, the cost of the production actually will be a little bit higher than the attention. And this is supply and demand graph. Everybody know very well. The only thing, the difference compared to the media 1.0 is here. Is that basically the demand still be decreased, but because right now the cost, I mean from the camera produced or from the camcorder produced, the cost will be cheaper. So here the quantity will be much greater than the previous one. So even though that means the low cost still have a much content will produce by, I mean, no matter from the media player or from the community. And change of the rule is, as Richard said, that right now we have a lot of contents. But comparing before the source will be except the editor, you still have a private creator or from a community. But here the rule change is that basically the media players, they somehow right now they start using the contents or information from the blog, from the internet source. So actually the rule will be changed as a gatekeeper to filter what kinds of information is correct, what kinds of information is important to publish or broadcast from the TV. So the rule for them will be a little bit different as before. And talking about the social network, this is social media economics. Right now, the social network is really controlled or limited by the software, social software. For example, someone uses Facebook, someone uses LinkedIn, but you will need to log in both systems to find your friends or do the connection. So this is cloud actually separate. But right now we also have a new software like Viber. They are just assumed as a bridge between each cloud to connect together. So consider right now we also the TV is one cloud and the video on the internet like YouTube is also another cloud. Somehow one day like such a program will connect the social network together, and that will be a simple different new page for the media producer or media player. How do they promote their stuff, or how do they publish their videos on the internet? And changing about the advertising is like first of all, it's like we have more multi-platform to receive the advertising. No matter from mobile phone or TV or internet or whatever you can see, you get part of channel. And also right now you can customize your advertisement. Like right now, like Facebook here, the social ad is in the 2007. You can choose what kinds of social, advertisement you want to watch, and they will put more or put less, depends on your order. And another is, as Andrew say, like right now, like Sesame City again, and they are quite famous, and friends can push you. Oh, we are talking about the jacket. We are talking about the purse. It's really nice. But while we can choose for example, imagine if you can have older system from the TV. You just choose the purse and they tell you how much for this and you can buy it on the TV. So the revenue will be totally different as before. Is that the advertisement is based on how long you put on, how long you put on the advertise on the TV channel, and based on how many seconds they charge you. But right now maybe it's like how much goods you're selling from the program, and they will be charged for per unit. So that will be totally different.